Most people think hitting 150,000 miles means your car is on death's door. But what if I told you that with the right habits, 150,000 miles is just the warm-up? There are regular, everyday cars out there crossing 500,000 miles on their original engines. No magic tricks, no million-dollar budgets, just 9 specific, non-negotiable habits that separate the people who buy a new car every 5 years from the people who drive one forever. Today, we are breaking down the 9 exact daily, weekly, and driving habits that will make your engine practically bulletproof. And no, it's not just change your oil. It's how and when you do it that actually matters. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. The cold start grace period. Habit number 1 starts the second you turn the key. It's the cold start grace period. When your car sits overnight, gravity does its job. Almost all the engine oil drains out of the top of the engine and pools at the very bottom in the oil pan. When you turn that key, the top half of your engine, such as camshafts, valves, and pistons, is running dry for the first few critical seconds. If you start your car, throw it into drive immediately, and smash the gas pedal, then it means you are causing microscopic tears to the metal components. Do that every day for 10 years, and your engine is toast. Want to make your engine last over 500,000 miles? After starting your engine, give it 30 to 60 seconds. You don't need to let it idle for 10 minutes like our grandparents did with old carburetors. Modern fuel injection is smart. Just wait 30 seconds for the oil pump to pressurize and coat the engine, and wait for the RPMs to drop to their normal idling level before you shift into gear. After that, drive gently until the temperature gauge reaches the middle. Habit number 2. Ignore the factory oil interval. Engine oil is not just a lubricant. It also cools, cleans, and protects internal components. Over time, oil breaks down due to heat, contamination, and oxidation. Research shows that oil can lose up to 40% of its protective properties before it even looks dirty. Many drivers follow the standard 5,000-mile interval, but real-world conditions like traffic, dust, and short trips can degrade oil much faster. Engines that reach extreme mileage often have stricter oil change intervals, sometimes as early as 3,000 to 4,000 miles depending on usage. Clean oil reduces friction, prevents sludge buildup, and minimizes heat stress. Sludge alone is responsible for thousands of engine failures every year. Consistently maintaining fresh oil is one of the most proven ways to extend engine life well beyond manufacturer expectations. Habit number 3. The Italian tune-up. Modern driving habits consist primarily of low RPM, short-distance urban commuting, where the engine's internal combustion chambers rarely exceed 300 degrees Celsius for prolonged periods. This inadequate thermal exposure prevents the engine from completing a process known as thermal desorption. This causes unburnt hydrocarbons and soot to solidify on the faces of your intake and exhaust valves. Over time, this carbon buildup disrupts the strict aerodynamic swirl patterns inside the combustion chamber, which leads to low-speed pre-ignition. That is, a catastrophic phenomenon that can crack a piston instantly. By taking your fully warmed-up car onto an open highway once every 2 weeks and accelerating firmly to safe, high RPMs, you elevate combustion chamber temperatures up past 650 degrees Celsius. At this critical thermal threshold, the soft carbon deposits are chemically oxidized and incinerated. This effectively purges the fuel injectors and valve seats of performance-robbing restrictions and keeps your engine breathing at peak volumetric efficiency. Habit number 4. Cooling system maintenance. Overheating is responsible for nearly 40% of catastrophic engine failures. Even a single overheating event can warp cylinder heads, damage gaskets, and reduce engine lifespan dramatically. Your engine operates at extremely high temperatures, and the cooling system is what keeps it stable. Coolant degrades over time and loses its ability to absorb and transfer heat efficiently. Experts recommend flushing coolant every 2 to 5 years, depending on the type used. Regular inspection of hoses, radiator, and thermostat ensures consistent cooling performance. High-mileage engines are almost always backed by well-maintained cooling systems. Preventing overheating is not just maintenance, it's survival for your engine. Habit number 5. Transmission fluid flush. Mechanical systems do not operate in isolation. A slipping, overheating, or poorly maintained transmission acts as a massive parasitic anchor on the engine's crankshaft. According to data from the Automatic Transmission Rebuilders Association, 90% of all automatic transmission failures are caused directly by fluid degradation due to heat, which occurs when fluid temperatures exceed the safe operational ceiling of 93 degrees Celsius. When transmission fluid breaks down, clutches slip and create erratic shifting patterns that send severe torsional vibration harmonics directly through the torque converter into the engine's rear main bearing journals. Furthermore, basic driver habits, such as shifting from reverse to drive while the vehicle is still rolling backward at even 2 miles per hour, forces the transmission's internal gear teeth and the engine's crankshaft to abruptly absorb thousands of foot-pounds of kinetic energy. To achieve maximum vehicle longevity, replace your transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to preserve fluid friction coefficients. Habit number 6. Airflow management. An internal combustion engine acts as a massive vacuum, inhaling roughly 10,000 gallons of air for every single gallon of fuel it combusts. If your engine air filter is cheap, improperly seated, or left in place past its service limit, then atmospheric silica dust breaches the intake barrier. According to filtration data from ISO 5011 testing standards, a premium air filter maintains an initial efficiency of 98 to 99% and stops particles as small as 5 microns. However, as the filter becomes severely overloaded, the pressure differential between the outside atmosphere and the engine vacuum spikes dramatically. This creates a physical effect that can pull abrasive dirt straight through the paper media fibers. Once inside the combustion chamber, these highly abrasive silica crystals mix with your oil film, physically wearing down the crosshatch patterning on your cylinder walls and accelerating piston ring blow-by. To achieve 500,000 miles, replace your air filter every 15,000 miles. And always wipe down the interior of the airbox with a damp microfiber cloth to ensure no loose particulate matter can bypass the filter seal during replacement. Habit number 7. Early problem detection. Here is a powerful reality check. Nearly 80% of major engine failures start as minor, almost unnoticeable issues. A small misfire, a slight oil leak, or a tiny sensor malfunction may seem harmless at first, but over time, these small problems multiply stress inside the engine. For example, a minor misfire can increase fuel consumption and create uneven combustion, which slowly damages pistons and valves. Studies show that drivers who address issues early can reduce long-term repair costs by up to 80%. High-mileage drivers develop a habit of listening to their car. Unusual sounds, vibrations, or even slight performance drops are taken seriously. They don't wait for a breakdown. They act at the first warning sign. Modern engines are designed to communicate through check engine lights and sensor data, but most people ignore them until it's too late. Catching problems early not only saves money, but prevents chain reactions that can destroy an engine from the inside out. In simple terms, small fixes today prevent massive failures tomorrow. Habit number 8. Engine bay cleanliness. This is one of the most overlooked habits, yet it plays a surprisingly big role in engine longevity. Your engine generates extreme heat, often exceeding 90 to 110 degrees Celsius during normal operation. And anything that traps that heat accelerates wear. Dirt, grease, and debris act like insulation and prevent heat from escaping efficiently. Studies suggest that poor heat dissipation can increase component wear rates by up to 20% over time. A clean engine bay allows better airflow, improved cooling, and more efficient sensor performance. But that's not all. Cleanliness also makes it easier to spot leaks, cracks, or worn-out components before they become serious problems. High-mileage drivers often clean their engine bay every few months using safe, low-pressure methods. They treat it not as cosmetic maintenance, but as a diagnostic advantage. Because when your engine is clean, problems don't hide, and that alone can save your engine from long-term damage. Every time you start your car, every time you press the accelerator, and every time you decide whether to maintain it or ignore it, you are either adding miles to your engine or taking them away. And if you want more powerful, real-world car tips that can save you thousands and make your car last decades, make sure to subscribe the channel. That's all for this video.